Now I just need to see if I'm actually live on both and see how the sound is. I am on the right account, right? Uh, I have no idea if I'm live. I should be. Okay, yeah. Now let me see if YouTube is live. It should be live. I'm also just gonna have YouTube chat on my shit on my phone. Oh yeah, I am live. Okay, let me get rid of this. Let me hide this because I can see chat. Let me mute. All right, let's get to back testing. Hey, can I ask you? Hold on, wait. I can't see the trade. I'm gonna assume it says trading question. Let me quickly fix this, cause bro, I don't know what is up. But yeah, you can ask me a trading question. I'm just trying to set all this up. I think that's good. All right. Yeah, you can. I don't know if I answered. Uh, can you explain to me what risk neutral measure is? I don't understand it from my stock friends. I have no idea what risk neutral measure is. We'll look it up right now. That's not how you spell neutral. How do you spell neutral? I'm a bit on the spectrum. A risk neutral measure or equivalent Mortangle measure is a probability distribution in financial mathematics where the expectation return on all assets is the risk-free rate, allowing a direct shit, bro. I'm actually autistic. I'm not even gonna. Bro, popcorn reading was the worst for me. Bro, why does it always give me a restriction every time I go live on my computer? Hold on, bro. I gotta fix this, bro. Cause like, bro, I want to go live on my computer. I want to be going live off of my phone. I haven't even looked at charts yet. This shit is so annoying. I might just have to go live off of my phone. Get my charger and my laptop. Okay, now let's plug my phone in. Let me quickly pull up YouTube. Where's the stand? What the hell? Okay, it's right here. This shit gets on my nerves. I gotta make sure I can see the chat on YouTube. Alright, let me just set this up. Go live. Oh wait, I gotta, bruh. I hate TikTok, bro. Genuinely. I got a screen mirror. Alright. Now this is way too big. Alright, there we go. Okay. Think we're good. Stream should be going on both ends. Let me just make a little bit of an announcement. Live on TikTok and enter. Alright, there we go. Piss me off, bro. And now it's okay. It's not too bright, but it's pretty bright. I don't like that. And if I darken it, it's gonna be too dark on YouTube. Alright, whatever. So March 10th, no news. This daily gap got tapped into, but we could probably just completely disrespect it. Tapped into this 4 hour and then started trading lower, so low-key expecting bearish price action on this day. Also gotta make sure that this shit ain't picking up. Yeah. Okay, my mic is working. I just had to make sure for a second. Would have been OD as hell. This is liquidity. Liquidity. Like a 1 hour gap. You have a 15-minute inside of that. There's no news on this day. You have 15-minute high. I'm not even going to mark it out. I don't even do that in real session. Just swept. Come down. Hypothetical, let's see what happens. This isn't something I would normally take yet. Instantly wake up. Insane rejection wick. What are we bouncing off of? Probably a 4-hour. No. Bouncing off of like nothing. Unfilled 1 hour. See, did we fill it? It's gonna take a little bit. But we're about to see. We're about to see if it did fill this 1 hour. It's gonna take a little bit. I'm better off just doing it on the daily. Yeah, so we did just tap into it. That probably would have been the better trade if I knew. We just took out this liquidity, creating an SMT. I want to see this 2-minute get inverse or not. We get a tab back in. We mitigate and take this liquidity. It's a 4-minute just formed. All right. We sweep it again. Rejection wicks. OD. Okay. Alright, looks like we're just going to continue pushing down. We opened this 10 a.m. candle inside of the gap, so we did just tap into this 5-minute. Let me change the song, bro. So we tap into that 5-minute. We are about to inverse this small. Bro, time limit reached. Fuck. We do inverse this after tapping into that 5-minute. Probably going to continue lower. Let's target this. there's no real break even point. I mean, I could break even right here, but that's really close to my entry. So all right, let's see. All right, so hit 1 to 1, break even. Let me take a screenshot for my journal. Let me bring it a little bit further into profit. Or actually, let me look to see if there's a. Okay, no, I'll just leave it right there. How much is that? 21 bucks. All right, moving my stop loss above here. Gonna hit full TP. Bang. Zabalyo, Zabalyo, Zabalyos. Traded with trend. Actually, I don't need to fucking type that. It's whatever. Save. Alright. Next. March 10th or March 11th. We probably just, yeah, we had crazy displacement out of that gap. Look, he was expecting us to go up, but it's whatever. There was really nothing besides the shorts. Just insane push. Tapping back into this, tapping into a new daily gap. Oops. Leaving hella 4-hour gaps. We got like 3. One of them already got tapped into, and we're already getting displacement out. Just making me want to lean more bearish. So we already had the tap in. What's news? 10 a.m. Equal highs. Relative equal highs. We definitely have this. Here's New York AM. Same thing. New York AM. Hold on, bro. I gotta mute on YouTube because I'm gonna be blasting music a little bit more because I don't want to hear my sister yap. think we're good. What I was saying for the people on YouTube, if you're watching this, I wanted to see displacement into this, back into this gap, and respect this 30-minute. And we get a sweep of liquidity just now, so I think I'm going to enter off of this 2-minute inversion. We get an inverse, and we get, what is it? SMT and a sweep, so it's making me lean bearish. I'm going to break even. So yeah, we inverse that. We have the SMT. Save and journal. Did I rate it already? No. Okay. Let's see. I can get off the 2-minute. Ooh. Okay. Definitely shouldn't have entered right before news. Let's see. I'm gonna play this by the 1 second and see what happens. Yeah, I got stopped out. That was not a smart idea of me to enter right before news drops. I'll give that a 3-star. Not smart. Oh, I should have. Wait. I'm looking at the 1 second time frame. Yeah, I definitely should have broke even on that. Not gonna lie. Definitely should have just broke even on that. Because we literally tap into my break even point. And then we just fucking pump. So that was a mistake on my end. Let's see what happens after. I do think we're gonna go down. Yeah. We respect this 2-minute gap. Yeah, we're probably just gonna wait, let's see. News was bullish. Yeah, we are gonna bull run to my TP. Or bear run or whatever. Yeah, I would have hit full TP. That wasn't a smart idea to enter right before news. But it's whatever. Next day. What's news? CPI. Ooh, I missed out. I'm not gonna look yet. And I'm gonna backtrack an hour. This is right before CPI comes out. Type shit. I'm gonna do the CPI method. Or I'm gonna try to at least. We end up tapping back into this daily, or tapping into a new daily gap. We did respect this, I think 30-minute gap or 1 hour gap. Yeah, we respected this 1 hour gap. We ended up coming down and then respecting it. So, bro, that would have been a W trade if only I didn't enter right before news dropped. It is what it is. Whereas I could never get into a relationship, bro. Just hearing my sister fucking go on about that shit is so annoying, bro. I don't want to deal with that shit. Bro, that shit is actually so annoying. PM, PM. All right, yeah, I'm leaning more bullish. Not gonna lie. Wait. So Trump spoke. I don't know what he was talking about though. Whatever. Either way, this is CPI gamble. So let me actually backtrack like an hour or a few seconds, just because I wouldn't be placing this shit literally right as it drops. I'd probably do it like 30 seconds before. Because this is where current price is at. So we just finished marking this up. Alright, let's run it. So what was it, like 60 points? Not 60, 15 or something from current price, or the 15 minute where price is at. So 15 points. Let me copy, paste. 15, paste. I'll just do that. I'll just target New York PM session. I'll only do 1% risk, so 14 contracts. Save a journal. CPI, gamble. 15 points above 15-minute can't. Bro, I'm just streaming to no one. I don't care though. I'll just do 50. 50-50. And then same thing with this. And then I'll literally just target this hour gap for this one. Same thing. Save. CPI, gamble. 15 points. What did I write? Above 15-minute. Okay. Above 15-minute candle. So. Or actually, wait. I think. Okay, yeah. I didn't even mark that one out yet. Okay, 50% confidence level. All right, let's run this. I'm just gonna let it run by itself, and we'll see what happens. Let me go on the 1 minute. So 15 points above the 15-minute candle and 15 points below the 15-minute candle. We'll see what fucking happens. real quick. I'm resetting the TikTok live because I ain't getting no views, and I low-key want to start growing my shit. Go live. I want to grow my TikTok. Alright, let's get back to the CPI gamble. Alright, so I instantly got cooked. And then we instantly push up. Got cooked. No stars. Cancel that. I lost 500 on that. Alright, it's all good though. Let's go to... We leave both data wicks. Data. 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 Probably leaving a 15-minute. Yup. Maybe a 30-minute. Nope, not yet. We're battered though. Literally right when this candle closes. Same thing here. Literally right when this candle closes, we're gonna make this 30-minute. I would like to see us push past it. Maybe take these data highs and then completely reverse. Because we're in a bearish structure. Oh, not the 1 second. What's your opinion on ULCC? I don't know what ULCC is. Give me a little bit of context. Oh, he's gone. Unless I'm just tripping. He's not gone. Frontier Airlines. I'm not tapped into anything really. I mean, I've heard of Frontier Airlines, but like I'm not tapped into that. So I don't have any opinions on it. Okay, thanks anyways, no problem. Alright, let's see us take data highs. Or let's tap into the 30-minute. So we get the tap into the 30-minute. I low-key might... Yeah, I'm probably going to enter right here. Do we have any other news? Nope, it was just CPIW. There's no other imbalances left in the market besides this one that's getting filled right away. Pretty much instantly, which I like to see that. 7. I'll do 7. 7 contracts. Tap into 30-minute gap. Leaving data. Hold on, let me look at ES. What's ES doing? Okay, we take data lows on ES. ES takes data lows. TP. The fuck is this? Oh, that's just where. Wait, am I autistic? What is this? Oh, this is the bigger gap we're in. Holy shit, Bread. Under low. Recent low. Break even after 1 minute. Swing taken. I'm feeling 70% confident about this. Let's do this by the 1 second. Wait, did I get everything written down that I needed to? Damn, what the fuck was that? We didn't take the swing high. Crazy rejection wick though. So I'm not liking that. I mean, Loki probably gonna get stopped out right here. Yep. Back-to-back losses. It's kind of cooked. Hey, let me save this. What do I give that? I give that 3. There's that stop hunt I should have been looking for. And we do tap into the 30-minute or this 1 hour gap. On ES, still leaning bullish, not gonna lie. Unless we just start dicking. We left data highs untouched. I see this 30-minute get respected. Let me get rid of this spread. This shit is in the way, and it's low-key pissing me off. So we respected the 30-minute. Let me just skip by the 1 minute. Crazy rejection wick. We are about to inverse. We do just inverse. Sweeping data lows. I think I'm going to take this, but de-risk. Did take a little bit to take it. But I do think data highs are probably going to get taken. I'll de-risk to 0.70%. So I'm entering 2 cons. I'll just do 3. EQ. Whoa, what is this? Oh. Okay, wait. We did just pretty much respect, or we did tap into discount range. What happened with you and Slimes unfunded? So, Slimes is KMA now. So, what is it? He passed his funded. I didn't. I didn't take a trade for like. I haven't taken a trade in like almost a week now. but I'm still on the funded. I haven't passed it yet. I just need to follow my rules. These past few days, I've low-key been like, in my opinion, shitty. We've just been either pumping or dumping off market open with little to no retracement. There's definitely trades to be taken, but not setups that I liked entirely. I also need to play more aggressive, so I'm probably going to be entering um, more, what is it? More contracts than I normally do. Just be a bit aggressive. Yeah, I'm going to be more aggressive and risking more. I've been starting to do this, because I saw one of these guys, one of Bionic NQ. You've probably heard of him. Um, he risks, what is it, 1.5k for 1-to-1 on evals, and 750 for 1-to-2. So I've just been doing that pretty much, but with just 750. Not bad, low key. Yeah, just to just to kind of pass it in a few trades, cause like there were like the first week of January, I just really wasn't following my rules. But now I'm following my rules, and it's making things way better. That's even a word. Wait, do I have the journal? Gotta write this down. I'm feeling 60% confident. Sweep of data lows and daily limit, bro. What? Uh, Slimes, have you made any? Hold on, I completely messed up. Slimes, have you made any money off SFX? Holy fuck, XFA. Holy shit. I'm on paper trading and queuing longs right now. Bro, I passed mine a while ago and blew it. I was so mad. Whoa, the knife. Got a kitchen knife in my room and shit. Fucking you. Fuck you talking? No, nothing yet. We just passed. I haven't caught a trade after passing it. Break even after. This is 1 minute swing, yeah. 1 minute swing high. New York City type of stuff. This guy. Alright, let's let this play out. I'll do it by the 1 second. We're about to press someone with it. Yeah. Word of me mother. Word to me mother. Let's just get break even. Let's Okay, so we didn't hit my break even. I want to see this 1 minute hold. Oh wait, this is the 2 minute. I'm dumb as shit. Might get cooked out here. I messed up, gang. It's all good, bro. I'm probably gonna get cooked right here. This wasn't probably a smart stop loss, so you know what? Stop loss moved. This isn't some shit I do, but like, this isn't like a point where I would put my stop loss. I want to see the center. I want to see this get respected, the wick. So let's tap into the center point. Okay, yeah, we're cooked. We're cooked. We're all 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 cooked. Oh, we're not cooked. We're not cooked. We're not cooked. We aren't cooked. We're back. We're back. We're back. We're back. Go up. 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 We're not cooked. Okay, we're cooked. We're not cooked. We aren't cooked. Come on. Come on. Go, 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 go. Full screen NQ. I got you. We're not cooked. We are not cooked. We are not cooked. We're not cooked. Yes. 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 Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Go. 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 Let me get rid of this. And I'll get rid of this 30-minute gap and I'll wait. Okay. Least emotional trader. No! No, I got liquidated! Oh no, I got liquidated. It's whatever. I lost 1.8K on this day. One of them was because of CPI and I got completely cooked. The other one, I definitely shouldn't have taken another trade, but I was low-key like heavy with the bullish bias. Let's see what happens though. I'm gonna skip by 5 minutes. Alright, so we end up tapping into this hour gap. And we start to get the push up, and we just don't push up. Alright, let's go to, wait. Just so I don't miss anything. PPI. Do I even want to try to do PPI? Fuck no. Slimes did, whip did. 200 away from account, from at. It wasn't reset. I'm up 11 bands on this account. Too choppy? Yeah. Well, let's see. We left data highs. We never even touched into data highs. So, like, we did end up respecting this, or not even. We kind of disrespected it. Let me just fucking push up. So, like. But we do leave data highs pretty much untouched. So. I'm taking, like, you never put it back to 50K. Oh, yeah, I would have definitely got cooked if this was, like, a prop firm challenge. I would have gotten cooked. Because I'd be super close to... Actually, no, not even. Because if this was... Here, wait, I'll pull up my journal. If it wants to load. Alright, I guess it just doesn't want to load. We'll just go look at my analytics. Because if this was... I'm up 1% on the account. Pretty much 2. So, I'm up like a band on the account if this was like prop firm challenge. Three trades. Definitely shouldn't have taken all those. It's whatever though. We'll make it back. I definitely lowered my win rate. Yeah. I need to take this serious and I need to see my actual win rate. Because I low-key just fucking... I just be gambling it. Because it just doesn't feel real. But I need to take it serious. It's pretty choppy. Pretty choppy these last few days. So like I'm not liking it. Where's my water? Look at the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hours looking choppy as hell as well. Is Slime's a truck driver? Yeah. Yeah, he drives a truck. Like a little herb. He drives like a herb as well. Everybody on Long Island has a fucking truck. We're respecting this 1 hour. We did tapped into this 1 hour. We're kind of just ping ponging off of these 1 hours. So low key, I don't know. I don't got a clear bias. Let me fix this so y'all can see it. I genuinely hate the fact that I can't backtest, or I can backtest on my computer and go live on TikTok, but it gives me a warning every single time. Gets on my nerves. So we retap into this 15-minute. I think shorts are probably the move for this. I'm pretty sure we do have data lows. We'll take a peek and see. Let's look at the 1 minute. Yes, data lows. Data. Oh, and we have data highs. This is literally just like the last session. And we probably have the same thing. Oh, we literally just took data highs on ES. I think I'm gonna go for the data lows. LA girls be weird. Try girls from Long Island, gang. Holy crap, bro. They suck. I hate girls from Long Island. They all suck. Every single one of them. Why? Dude, they either all go to bars, have no life, and just go to the bars, treeshing around, or they just cheat. I'm pretty sure I've gotten cheated on maybe like 4 times. Not gonna lie. Bruh, oh my god. I could go on about this one girl that I dated, and bro, oh my god. I'm gonna give you all a little bit of a story. So, to anybody who's in the live, you're gonna get a little bit of a lore on Whip. A little bit of lore going on. So, back in like 2022. Well, when was I in my basement? I was in my basement 2020. Yeah, 2022 is when I was in my basement. I was dating this girl, and I remember the day so vividly when she broke up with me because I was playing fucking VR, and she called me while she was at a party, talking about I think we should break up, and I said okay, and she was like, I still want to stay in contact with you, and I was like okay, and she was like, are you okay? And I'm like, yeah. I mean, it was kind of random because we were on FaceTime the night before, and everything was fine. So I was like, it was kind of just like random. And she brought up this excuse talking about how she's going away Or yeah, oh yeah, she was going away to like summer camp, and she wanted to break up. Red flag. Was not fucking with that. Next thing you know, um, she gets back from summer camp, and I already had a suspicious feeling that she didn't fuck with me anymore. But she invites me over to her crib. We end up hanging out. Things go down that I can't say on stream. And then literally the next days, she's posted up with a new guy. Then you tapped and dipped. Bro, I was low key like genuinely in love with this girl, but like it's whatever. I was young, so like I was impressionable. But like a few days after, I just I'm noticing she's not answering me and all that. She has her location on for me on Snap, so I'm obviously gonna peep it. And she's at this guy's crib, and I'm like, bro. So being me, I do some digging, and I come and find out she's linking up with this guy. So I confront her. She's like, just on some bullshit, and I'm like, bro, I don't want to deal with this. I got so much more to live for than dealing with this. So I told her, what did I tell her? I didn't remove her on Snap, but I was like, I don't want to speak to you. And then I don't know if I could say this. Um, I started. How do I say this without getting like suspicion? Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're you're spot on right there, George. You're spot on. Bro knew exactly what I was talking about. That's insane. But yeah, I started that chemistry. Yes, I started chemistry. I was yeah, I started doing chemistry, and I was selling a course on chemistry, and I made a private story so that people could swipe up and whatnot and like hit me up for it. And um, next thing you know, I notice she joins the Elevate, bro. I did those tellies. I gained 200 type. I only gained 200 type shit, bro. She ends up joining the story, and I'm like, bro, you're bugging if you think I'm gonna teach you chemistry. You're bugging if you think I'm gonna teach you chemistry. Um, and she was like, "Oh, I don't even want to learn about chemistry." Blah 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 blah. And I was like, "Bro, then why did you join the shit?" And she didn't have an answer, so I just removed her. And to this day, she's still dating the guy that she cheated on me with. So, well, it wasn't really cheating, but like it was because we were still talking and we still like were doing stuff. So it's like that shit did hurt, but it just made me who I was today. So I'm grateful. I'm grateful she's gone. I low key completely forgot my bias. Let me quickly get a little bit of a. All right, yeah. So we tap into this 15 SMT. Bro, never fall for those girls. Who only want dick. Yeah, I know. I know. Hey, bro, look up Trader Tom on YouTube. Just pass some wisdom to you. Just me passing some wisdom to you. All right, looks like I'm taking a look. Looks like I'm taking a look at Trader Tom real quick. Is that a bot or real? I have no idea. Last video posted 4 months ago. What does he trade? What is his strategy? Let me take a
Mm, do I even want to, like, not really. Let me just get back to backtesting, bro. I gotta lock in on backtesting. Looks boring, not gonna lie. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, so it looks like data lows is what we're targeting, which we end up taking. Um, so we end up so we tap into the 15-minute and this hourly at 8 a.m. And then we create an SMT. We tap into it on ES. Wait, no, we don't even have the 1 hour gap. We only have the 15-minute gap. Just straight choppage, bro. What? It's like choppage to the downside, though. We are generating low resistance liquidity, though. So I'd like to see that get taken. Do we have any news? No, it was just PPI. Yeah, so it looks like we're just gonna keep pushing down with no real. Let's see, is there a 30 second? Nope. Is there a 15 second? Yep, but I don't even have the 15 or the 30. I might buy the second, just because there was definitely some setups I could have taken, like real market, but whatever. So we take London lows, we take both of these London lows. We don't on ES. We take that London low on ES. Is there a gap or some sorts? Yeah, very small. You end up tapping into it. Is there a 30-minute? No, just a very small 1 hour. You end up tapping into it. So low key. Oh, we are about to inverse it though. Holy shit. Crazy rejection. All right, yeah, I'm leaning bullish. I'm leaning bullish with this one. I'll just wait for if we push up, and then wait for like a 5 minute to form. Like this. So we form this 5 minute. I want to see us tap into said 5 minute. I definitely could have entered just straight off of that with that shit. With this 3 minute inversion. Stop loss underneath it. Oops. And just target internal liquidity. So like pretty much market open high. Pretty good risk reward. But I want to see us tap into this 5 minute and then get an inverse going on or something. Unless we form it. Ooh, we are tapping into a 15. I gotta remember to have like to keep swapping back and forth. Oops. Alright, wait. I probably missed my move. Nope, I didn't. Retracement into this 15-minute gap. We did get crazy rejection out though. We get rid of all these other fucking lines. Is it still snowing there? Nah. There's still snow on the ground though. There's hella snow on the ground. My backyard is covered. But it's supposed to snow Super Bowl Sunday. So I'm not looking forward to that. Not gonna lie. I think I might just wait for this 5 minute to get inversed. So like now, and then just take it to internal liquidity or some shit. Sort of like a 1-to-1 ish. W snow? No, it's not W. Snow is annoying as hell. LAB dry as shit. Bro. 85? Bro, what? Dude, it was like 3 degrees the other day. It's fucking freezing. That's fucking insane, bro. Well, of course, it's not when you're not making bread. I prefer the snow. I do like the snow, but it does get to a point at some points. It gets it gets annoying at some points because it's like, bro, our town does a shitty job at cleaning the snow as well, so that's a that's another one. Yeah, I had a 29-hour shift plowing. Yeah, bro. That shit is crazy. 29 hours, and how much did you make an hour? What was it, like 20 or 30? 30? Bro, that's crazy. Low key, you're like 40 minutes away from me. I'm like, depending on traffic, if there's like no traffic, bro, I can be there probably less than 40, but if there's OD traffic, then it's gonna take a while. It takes like an hour. Actually, well, yeah. If there's OD traffic, it takes like an hour plus. If there's not a lot of traffic, it takes less than 30. You're surrounded. You're surrounded. Am I autistic? You're surrounded. Yo, I can't read. You're surrounded does by water. I'm gonna assume you meant you're like I'm surrounded by like Long Island. Okay, yeah, Long Island is surrounded by water. Yeah, yeah, pretty much. There's literally one There's one entrance and one exit to this island. So if there's like if the bridges break, we're cooked. A break even after this swing low. Plenty of fish in the sea, they say. I don't know if you're like meaning by like fishing or like I'm gonna assume you mean fishing, but like you never know. You never know. I mean, yeah. Yeah, there's plenty of fish in the sea, but like wait, nah gang. There's 3 bridges to yeah, well there's 3 bridges, but like if all those bridge breaks, we're cooked. We're cooked. There's no way to get off the island. If all 3 bridges if like a fucking we're cooked. We're cooked. This is why I want to get off the island, bro. Because we're cooked. This island sucks. Eventually, this island's gonna erode. and we're cooked. And plus, everybody here is snobby as shit. Or most of the people. Most of the towns are snobby as shit. Let me... Alright, let me play this by the 1 second. Don't bull run to my stop loss. I wouldn't like that. I want to see this 1 minute hold. Which it seems like it's doing its job. Bro, I don't know what it is. Every time I get on stream, I low-key do dookie with backtesting. Like I took one winning trade so far. The rest of them have been losses. Right as I see us tap into that break even. Let me take a screenshot. Alright, now it's risk free. Let's see us keep pushing. So overall, I mean, we are bearish. We have been pushing lower and lower. But at some point, we are going to need to do a reversal, so... Because obviously, I mean, we're way past this price. Like, in real time. Alright, I got broke even. I'll give that 4 stars. Made $21. Yeah, so the first trade I took, I pretty much lost it all. like this week of backtesting. Alright, let me pause this. Let's go to let's see what news is like. 10 a.m. It's oh. So yeah. We'll see. After this week is done, like this backtesting session, gonna probably hop off live. I'll do like a week of backtesting on live. We are getting buy power out of this daily gap. How long have I even been live for? An hour 20? Doesn't feel like it. This is probably the low. Yeah, I figured. PM. Same thing here, PM. Yeah, so we are tapping into this daily gap. Do we have any unfilled 4 hours? Nope. No unfilled 4 hours. This day has been this week has just been choppy as hell. Not liking that at all. But at some point, we're gonna have to reverse. So this could be the point where we reverse. We'll see. We'll see. These equal lows. Yeah, equal lows type. That ain't New York AM. What the fuck? Hold on, I'm muting YouTube because I hear my sister arguing again. want to see us retrace into this 5 minute, or if we form a 15 minute, which we are about to. We're about to form a 15. News gets that candle inside of the 15, rebalancing with a crazy rejection wick. All right, let's see this 5 minute get inversed. Okay, we're maybe not. What was news? News was bearish. We did have that big push up. We did sweep liquidity. I'm still leaning bearish or bullish. We tap back into this 15. We did inverse this one. I don't like these colors. I can't lock in completely.
The hell is this?
Yeah, bro. What is this? What are we doing? What did we tap into? Absolutely nothing. This price action is dookie. Yeah, this price action is dookie. So yeah, SMT form or some. We do have these data lows untouched, so we're probably gonna be targeting that, not gonna lie. This probably would have been the better trade. As we reswept. Whoa, what did I do? As we reswept AM, and then we're probably just gonna target these data. But let's just see if I could catch a trade. Probably not. We did completely rebalance the 5 minute. We better form a 4 minute. We are about to form a 4 minute. We just formed. Yeah, so I would have got broke even on that trade if I did take it. Yeah, I'm really not liking this price action just because there's really no move. I mean, there's movement going on, but there's really no entry. So yeah, we're just pushing up. Like, bro, what? I think the trade would have probably just been this. Just aim for a 1-to-1 or some shit. It wouldn't even hit it if I was following my rules like how I normally do. This would have hit. Stop loss underneath the body of the inversion. That one would have hit. All right, well, that's bro, literally right after that we okay. So yeah. There's really no. Oh, it definitely could have just entered.
off his 15-minute getting inverse.
That's something I could have done, but it's whatever. I'm going to end this live now. So yeah, I'm gonna go live again tomorrow. I gotta be more consistent. So yeah, I just like the live. All right, that's it for the live. Let me actually end the live. This live first. That's it for the live on YouTube. I'll catch y'all.